Hello there. In this video, we're going to find the value of x in this Surdic equation. So the first thing I'll do is to move this term to the left-hand side. I'll just transpose root x plus 4 to the left-hand side. So I have the square root of 2x plus 9 minus the square root of x plus 4, all is equal to 1. Now, what's the next thing I'll do? I'm going to square both sides because I'm looking for a way of removing the square root that I have. So I'll square both sides. If I square both sides, I'll have to expand this. But to expand this, let's use one of the algebraic identities, which says if you have a squared minus b squared, if you have a minus b all squared, this can be expanded to a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. So you have a squared minus then 2 times the 2 terms in the bracket and then plus the square of the last term in the bracket. So let's do that here. The first term squared, that's the square root of 2x plus 9 squared. Okay, are you with me? Then minus 2ab from here, that's minus 2 times what? The square root of 2x plus 9, all right, times, I'm just going to use dot, the square root of what? X plus 4. Okay, and then that's not all, but let me just take this off first from here, and we're going to square the last term in the bracket. So that will be plus the square root of x plus 4 all raised to the power of 2. And this is equal to what? 1 squared is 1, as we have on the right hand side. Okay, having done that, let's proceed. If you want to simplify this square will cancel the square root. So you have 2x plus 9, all right, minus, if you multiply this 2, let's put the 2 of them in this radical. So that's 2x plus 9. Let's put this in a bracket, and then x plus 4. Then plus the same thing again, this square will cancel the square root, so we have x plus 4, all is equal to 1. Okay, so let's simplify this. Let's do the simplification. I'm going to just take this, just rearrange the terms over here. So let's quickly do that. That will be 2x plus 9, all right, plus x plus 4, and then you have minus 2. But let's simplify what we have in the bracket. Let's expand what we have in the bracket. Okay, the way to do this is to expand. You do 2x times x. That will be what? We still have our square root, don't forget. I'll just put it in the bracket. 2x times x is 2x squared. 2x times 4 is plus 8x. Okay, and then let's come to 9. 9 times x is plus 9x, all right, and then 9 times 4 is what? Plus 36. Let's close the bracket, and then we have it is equal to 1. Okay, so 2x plus x is what? That's 3x, and then 9 plus 4 is 13, yes, and then minus 2 with the square root of, let's simplify this, 2x squared in the bracket. 8x plus 9x is what? 17x. Okay, and then plus 36. All right, all is equal to 1. So let's move 1 to the left hand side, and let's move this negative 2 with the square root of 2x squared plus 17x plus 36 to the right hand side. So what would that be? We're going to have what? 3x plus 13, and then minus 1 is equal to what? 2 with the square root of 2x squared plus 17x plus 36. Beautiful. So I have 3x. 13 minus 1 is 12, and this is equal to 2 with the square root of 2x squared plus 17x plus 36. So what should be the next thing? We're going to square both sides because I still want to get rid of this square root. So let's square both sides. If you square one side, you do the same thing to the right hand side. And then let's expand this. So we have 3x plus 12. Okay, I'll just have to rewrite it for those who might not understand how it is done. without writing it like this. This exponent of 2 is affecting 2 and this square root. So 2 raised to power 2 is 4. This square will get rid of the square root. So you have 2x squared plus 17x plus 36. Okay, we are through with that. And let's expand this. 3x times 3x is what? 9x squared. 3x times 12 is plus 36x. 12 times 3x is again plus 36x. And then 12 times 12 is plus 144. And let's expand this here. 4 times 2x is 8x squared. 4 times 17x is plus 68x. And then what about 4 times 36? What is that? That's 144. Okay, we have it here as well. Now it's time to simplify all of this. Do you know I can just quickly cancel out some of it? If you move plus 144 to the left hand side, you have minus 144. And these two will just cancel out when you have 144 minus 144. So when we have identical terms, let's just remove them. Okay. If you add these two, you will get what? 72x. So you have 9x squared plus 72x is equal to 8x squared plus 68x. So let's move all of the terms here to the left hand side. So you have 9x squared minus 8x squared is coming from here, and then plus 72x, plus 72x, then minus 68x, and all is equal to 0. Okay, so let's proceed. 9x squared minus 8x squared is just x squared. 72x minus 68x is plus 4x, and all is equal to 0. So when we factorize this, what is common between x squared and 4x? X is common, and then you have x plus 4, because 4 into x squared is x, and x into x squared is x, and x into 4x is 4. That's why I have that. All is equal to 0. So from 0 product rule, x will be equal to this 0 here, or x plus 4 is equal to 0. So x is equal to 0, or x is equal to transpose plus 4 to the right hand side, you have negative 4. X is equal to 0 or negative 4. And here goes your answer. If this video was helpful to you, kindly subscribe to this channel for more content like this. Share this video to your friends and family, and I will see you in the next one.